Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Auto Sport in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. As you can see, we get a little bit of everything down here. And today we have something we don't normally have, a 1987 C4 Corvette Coupe. From what we can tell, this is a two-family owned Corvette that has just been pampered and serviced its whole life. As always, we're going to do a little walk around. We'll try to be as in-depth as we can. If we miss anything, feel free to call us, text us, email us. We can also do an individual FaceTime with you and get you as much information on this car as possible. That way, whether you come in to see the car, it's everything that you expect, or if you get it shipped right to your front door, we can help make this car yours. And these cars are actually getting kind of harder and harder to come by in this condition. A lot of these cars got over 100,000 miles, have been abused. This is not the case with this car. I really don't get too many of these, mostly because of condition issues, but whenever we saw this car and saw the condition, we knew it was something that would fit our inventory. So we're going to do a little walk around and go from there. Now, whenever we first got this car in, the paint on it was stunning, as it is now. I figured this can't be original paint. Sure enough, we found out that it has been repainted, originally red and everything, but the paint job is top quality, probably nicer than whenever it was new. I mean, I haven't found a fisheye, any dust in the paint, nothing. So whenever you see this car, it looks to be a factory finish, and a lot of these cars did fade over the years, so that's probably why it was done. Had to be a high dollar paint job. I would guess probably a $7,000 paint job, who knows. But so anyways, we'll start our walk around here and go from there. So across the front bumper as well as the lower valance, there's no scuffs or anything, scrapes, hasn't been up any parking islands or anything like that. Even going into the hood, again, there's not even a stone chip on the hood. Corvette designation emblem on the front, as well as the front license plate cover still there. I'll show you the headlights at the end of the video. Function perfectly, and actually gives it a pretty cool look. We get a lot of compliments, people liking the pop-up headlights on these. As you can see, it has been fitted with a set of 1989 Corvette wheels. Really gives it a better look. It's got brand new tires all the way around. Those were just installed, and just really gives it a nice look. There's no kind of curb rash, haziness, really no wear at all on these wheels. They really pop and make this car what it is. Going down the driver's side here, into the door and the fender, even into the quarter panel. Obviously no dents in these cars, but the fitment and finish on this car, as well as all the gaps, even the seals, they're not dry rotted or anything. Whether they were replaced, who knows, but excellent condition all the way around. Even down on the lower rocker panel here, same thing. It's not all chipped up on the insides of the fenders. Everything's nice and sharp as it should be. And this car does have a factory removable targa top on it. It is like the plexiglass glass roof. Very, very little bit of haziness on the inside, but what do you expect? But it's nothing that you're going to get in the car and be disappointed with. I believe those are sport mirrors, don't quote me, but I think that was an upgrade as well. Quarter panel, just as sharp as the rest of it. Paint really has a nice shine on this car. I can't stress that enough, how nice the paint is on this. Again, rear wheel, just the same as the front. I believe these are same size all the way around. You'll see in the pictures, if you want to come around, but you'll see in the pictures just how nice everything is on this car. Might be a few raindrops who were just taking pictures of it if you notice this on the glass, but that's all that is. Okay, rear bumper. As you can see, all the light bezels are nice. Again, no haziness. Exhaust looks to be brand new. I will put up some underneath pictures of this car as well. Everything you want to see on this. Just is the way it should be. Again, no spider cracking. Nobody's backed into anything. No signs of wear. Inside the gas tank, again, this is nice. I get the trunk at the end of it, actually. Okay, passenger side again, I'm trying to find something on this car, which if I look hard enough, I will. But again, nothing sticking out or any scuffs or scratches. Wheels the same as the rest of them. Same as the front wheel here. Again, all new tires on it. Even this, I guess you'd call it a bar going down the side of it. Excellent shape. Glass. Did have a new windshield put in at some point. I'm not sure when, but there's like there's a little stone chip. Really no wear in there. Same with both rear window and door windows. They look to be original. I guess I'll open up the back here and then we'll go through the interior. Okay. All right, so this is really the only thing I could find on this car, something that I'm not going to fix. Somebody might want it left original. It would be an easy fix. So there's like a vinyl backing on this trim piece back here. It is starting to bubble from age or heat. Who knows? My thought was you could easily scrape that off, spray it with like a plasti dip or something, and it would look factory. In fact, maybe you could even just replace it. I don't know, but I'm not messing with it. You're not going to see it. Anyways, whenever you take the hard top off, it does fit in here nicely. And all the carpeting, this is an odor-free car. There's no smoke or, air freshener smells or anything to it. We have all the service records with this car. It was pretty much serviced at the Chevy garage. In fact, on the Carfax, it shows 45 records on it. Again, clean Carfax. You can go through here. Don't quote me. Again, I believe it's a two-owner car. It was sold new in Washington, PA, which is right outside of Pittsburgh. And it's pretty much always been in this area. So everything lines up as far as documentation, paperwork. I do have the original books with it, as well as there's like a little sticker that tells you all the factory options, which I think it's in my office, but I do have it, which is nice. Okay, yeah, sold new at Calusi Chevrolet out in Bridgeville. I don't know if they're still there. I know Calusi Chevrolet is, but I don't know if they're in Bridgeville. Rear defroster works perfectly. Again, fits and seals nicely. Kevin can open up that door, and we'll go over the interior here. The guy I got the car off of did say that the interior has been reupholstered at some point. I'm not sure what all they did, but I would be guessing probably seats and carpeting, because everything's nice. There's no fraying on any of the door panels. All the buttons are nice. Seat bolsters are spectacular. They're not blown out. A lot of times the seat bolsters can get kind of beat up. Steering wheel is nice. Very little bit of age showing here, but nothing that, again, is going to be of concern. All the gauges and displays are working. That can be an issue on these cars, but everything's working great. Whether it's been replaced, I don't know, but I will show you in the video. Power driver seat, power windows. Somebody did put an aftermarket stereo in it, which actually works really well. Usually I like original, but they didn't have CD players back in '89 as far as I know. So let me grab the camera here and show you all this while I'm in here. This would be pretty much a cold start. We did have it outside whenever we were getting the pictures, but as you can see, no kind of service lights on or anything like that. Heating and air conditioning. You got your cup holders. There goes passenger window, driver window. Again, nice clear digital display. The camera might show a little pixelating or something, but everything's fine. There's the mileage, 44,699. And Kevin's going to come around. We'll do the engine bay, and then I'll try to get you to hear the exhaust, but it's going to be tough with the microphone. Now, if you haven't worked out in a while, you might want to hit the gym, because this hood is really heavy. just a nice clean engine bay, all original as far as we can tell. Um, everything's been serviced up to date, oil changes, fluids, everything's been taken care of. All the lights under here, Corvette designation, just what you want to see. Again, you can get in this car and use it. It's just they're getting harder and harder to come by, and they probably will actually start being more of a collector's item here in the near future. If Kevin wants to go in the front, I'll show you the lights, and we'll wrap it up there. Before I forget, you can see power antennas functioning perfectly. That's all good. And I will show you the lights. Flip up headlights, working perfectly. Let's see here. There's your headlights. There's your turn signal. Passenger turn signal. If you want to go to the rear. There's your rear turn signal. Driver turn signal. I guess I'll put the reverse on. Reverse. As you can see, I can hear the power antenna going down. And again, if you want to go to the front, and we'll wrap it up. So again, this is a 1987 Corvette. It does have the 89 wheels on it, automatic transmission, 5.7 liter fuel injected engine. This car runs perfectly. We've put probably 50 miles on it. Whenever we get these cars in, we do have them gone over for PA state and emissions testing. No dead battery, no check engine light within like, I think it's 250 miles. Tires are brand new. Oil changes and due, I think, for 4,000 miles. Just a nice, whether it's your first Corvette or you're looking to add to your collection, or even buy this for a driver, excellent quality. The mileage is actual on the title. Everything lines up. You're not going to be disappointed with this one. Give us a call, 724-388-4930. Again, we're down in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We ship cars all over the country as well as all over the world, really. And if you're in the market for a nice cruiser, give us a call. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.